Greetings, 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 you all. I greet you well. Hope you are good. This is Mr. D here again. Mr. D do everything. You see, I'm just busy around, was cutting from the trees. It's growing too much. It's growing too big. You understand? And under the tree, I was raking all those leaves is under the trees, all the dry ones who falling from the tree. Yes, and come and lie under your tree. And what you can do, you can take your rake. If you don't have a rake, you can buy by hard store. Of any store, you can have an iron one or a plastic one. They do the same job. You understand? And now I rake these leaves under the trees. You see, the trees, the small trees around your yard. Yes, yes, especially they hold a lot of leaves inside under the trees, under your flowers. And it's better to clean your garden and keep your hand on your garden. It's very important to do that. Yes, especially me for many years. I like gardening, and but my job that I'm done is paint work. Over the years, I was do a lot of paintings, and that is what I do. If someone prefer me to do a paint job, I'm available to do it. You see, I'm available to do that, and yes, especially when someone needs you to do something. And it's in a matter fact is that said I always said is if you can do things for yourself, it's a good it's a good idea to do things for yourself. Yes, yes, yes. To take a broom, to take a rake, or something, a spade, a fork, go to your garden and scuffle a little bit, clean up, prune up the leaves, gel it up, put it in a plastic bag. So there's people who come and fetch it up, dump it by the dump place. Yes. You can see nice, nice green rank and green flowers or trees that you can put on your behind on your curb or in front of your yard. Sometimes you don't need to put a wire of pillars of any concrete of cement of slab in front of your garden. You understand? You can use some flowers. You can use some flowers. You can see these flowers. You can use some flowers to 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 put your plot close around you. Yes. Especially I see those houses overseas. They have open grass plots. There's no wires. There's no cement. There is no concrete. There's no slab. There's no fiber grate in front of the yard to close the yard. Many houses that I see on the television, especially overseas people, is very popular. Yes, it's like a place. If you take Australia, and you go there, go in the streets of the people who love that, you shall see many plots. They have open space. It's an open space plot. Open space plots. So the plots are not closed. You understand? And in many places around the world, people put flowers, trees, rank flowers, rank plants. They put it in front of the yard or around the yard. Reason why? Some places you cannot do that because where life is too danger. Aye, my friend, life is too danger to do that. You see, people's lives is very in danger. So, but places where people put those flowers, you understand, in front of the yards. Uh, Criminal are not so much there. You understand? Criminal are not so much there. And you can put it look very smart, it look nice. It's like a free for me. So it's, if I've got a big yard, I will put flowers in front of my yard. You will see trees and flowers. It's a nice view. It's a nice view in front of your house. And yes. And yes, you can see how nice it is. It is really smart. Yes. Look at the town. You can see there's a lot of musty around. You said it where the smoke is coming. But I think it's coming from the dump place. You can see those musty. You can see those musty around. They're in front of the mountains. It's too much smoke around. I think it come from the dump place. People are burning all the old stuff and they are dig it and dig it around, burn it out, dig it into the ground, all those dirty stuff. Yeah, so like and subscribe this video. Share it with the people you are can. I thank you all for view my channel. Subscribe my channel, share my channel. I thank you very much. God bless you. Peace. Subscribe.